This is the Feeler VMP 1100 vertical machining center. Has a weight of over 15,000 pounds. Due to the size and strength of its casting, provides damping thermal stability and high stiffness. The Z-axis is boxway construction, which damps vibration transmitted through the tool and provides high stiffness for cutting forces against the spindle. The X and Y axes are large linear guideways that provide smooth movement even under heavy loads on the table of up to 3,300 pounds. Fast rapid speed of 1,400 inches per minute is available for fast positioning to reduce cycle dead time. The oversized travels of 43 inch by 24 inch provide more space for large parts and fixtures. The VMP 1100 features a 25 horsepower spindle motor for large volume of chip removal. It has 10,000 RPM belt drive spindle, which balances speed for smaller tools and lighter cuts, along with the torque necessary for heavy cutting. The short spindle projection transfers cutting forces into the casting and allows for more stability while cutting. That, coupled with the Big Plus 40 taper spindle nose, really increases rigidity for the heavy cuts and for longer projection tools. The spindle is oil cooled for long-term thermal stability and is plumbed through the spindle coolant up to 1,000 psi to help with deep hole drilling and chip evacuation. The tool changer has a 30 tool capacity with an optional 50. It's a dual swing arm type tool change with random pockets to enable tool changing from under 2 seconds tool to tool. The chip management system includes coolant washdown, dual chip augers, and a hinge belt style conveyor on the rear of the machine. The coolant tank capacity is over 110 gallons to ensure that coolant pumps will never be starved and to reduce the amount of thermal expansion caused by the warming of coolant in the morning. This is the control panel for the VMP 1100. There's feed rate overrides, rapid overrides, spindle overrides, and all of the manual controls for block delete, optional stop, zero return, conveyor control, door interlock control, coolant override buttons, and all the mode switching. Up above the actual control itself is a FANUC Series OI-MD control. Has a number of standard features that help you be more productive. 32 tool life monitoring groups where you can set either the tool count or the time for each tool to be used prior to expiration. Can also then specify replacement tooling that will be used afterwards. Macro is standard on the control with over 500 variables enabled for custom applications. There are 8 extra M codes available on the machine. As far as tool length and diameter offsets, there are 400 offsets available standard and 54 work coordinate system standard. On control editing is enhanced by the ability to copy and paste within the same program, which was something on earlier generations of controls that was not available. Paste that in. I have the second copy now. Also, the cap system is standard on this. It's a conversational type system that outputs canned cycles for use inside of other M&G code programs. There's drilling, pocketing, facing, grooving cycles, specified hold patterns, including standard things like bolt hole circles and arcs as well.